In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable download in Google Drive, specifically focusing on turning off downloading for files that you have shared with others. This is a useful feature if you want to maintain control over your shared content and prevent others from downloading copies. So let's dive right in. Firstly, make sure you're logged into your Google account and navigate to Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, find the file that you want to restrict download access for. Now, this can be either a document, a spreadsheet, or any other type of file that you have stored in your drive. While looking at your files, you'll want to identify the specific one you're targeting. Once you've found it, right-click on the file to bring up a menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to select the Share button. This is typically represented by a small icon that looks like a silhouetted person with a plus sign. Clicking this button will open up the sharing settings for that particular file. Here, you will see the different sharing options you have set up, as well as the people who currently have access. In the Sharing Settings window, look at the bottom right corner to find a little cogwheel icon, which represents the settings for sharing options. Click on this icon to access additional options. Here, you'll find a setting labeled Viewers and Commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. By default, this option is checked, meaning that anyone with view or comment access can download your file. To disable downloading, simply uncheck this box. What this does is ensure that no one with sharing access can download, print, or make a copy of this file. After you've unchecked the box, you'll want to make sure that you save your changes. If you're done adjusting the settings, you can click Done to exit out of the Sharing Settings window. It's crucial to communicate changes in access to collaborators. Consider letting your collaborators know that you've adjusted their permissions so they're not surprised if they find they can no longer download the content. And there you have it. Your shared file is now protected from unauthorized downloads, which helps to better secure your material. This feature is particularly useful for various scenarios, such as sensitive business documents or creative works that you'd like to keep under wraps. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your digital workspace efficiently.